Hey, if you want to lose some weight, look, in Oriental, like I'm saying right here, it's sugar. You can lose weight with Tybo Fridge, because he's right here. And I'm a master green belt at Tybo Fridge. Ha! When you preach them shut it. I said shut up. Now, not only is Tybo Fridge Oriental, we forget egg roll and everything that's with it, but never, and I may never forget, Oriental green tea. This shit's for you and me. Watch this. Tastes like shit, but gives you energy. Watch this. Ha ha! Ha! Shut, Rick! Ha! 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 Rick! It may shut, it may not. It may take a little bit of extra protein to make Tybo Fridge your business. Also, only egg rolls that are made, not from America, but it'll be from Japan. I'm not from Japan, but fuck it. I almost look like I'm from Japan, but ha! Ha! Do I know Tybo Fridge techniques? Not only that can save your life. Shut, Fridge, shut. You. Hold on. Only that way. Losing 100 pounds right now on my orange pumpkin belt. Have I won Tybo Fridge's competition? 10 grand to the biggest loser. Wait a minute. Tybo Fridge. You probably remember me when I weighed like 300 pounds. I was a green belt then. Then I stepped up to orange, where baby, I was rocking the orange grind. But now that I'm a red belt, graduate of fucking Tybo Fridge, beating the hell out of this fridge for months. Lost like 2, 3 of me. Hold on. Give me. I got a rib here with a little bit of cotton on it, cause this shit's nickel. I can lick a rib to the bone. Hold on. For some of you single women that know what I mean. Damn. Fucking real good. But now, hold on. For those of you that need a little secret, fortune cookie says you must buy Tybo Fridge.